Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm very excited for my return on YouTube after so many months taking a hiatus from making videos. And in all of this time, one product that I used extensively was the Mivi Duopods M80. Yes, these TWS earbuds from Mivi are what kept me going while I was watching videos or live matches. So without further ado, let's start this long-term review. The unboxing experience is quite decent. When you open up the box, you are greeted with this booklet. Setting it aside, you get the warranty claim pamphlet with all the details of how to register your warranty of the Mivi product. Moving on, you see the Mivi Duopods M80 in their charging case. You can already see there are some scratches in my unit and I've just unboxed it. How can it be? Let's put them aside for the time being. Inside you also get a USB-A to USB Type-C cable and two extra pairs of silicone buds for getting the best possible fit on your ears. There's minimal Mivi branding over here and there are charging connectors that seems to be gold plated. And that's about it. Now the design is a happy mix between the traditional AirPod design having that stem and also these silicone tips for comfort, and that makes Mivi Duopods M80 a lot easier to use in the long run. I think it's very easy and comfortable on ears to use for long periods of time. You can watch hours of content on YouTube or play games or watch live matches without that uncomfortable feeling that you get with buds that do not have these silicone tips. And hard tips are especially a no-no for a binge watcher like me. Now, having reviewed Mivi Duopods M20, I didn't had much hopes for Mivi Duopods M80. But the sound quality of Mivi Duopods M80 seems to be so much improved than Mivi Duopods M20. The link to Mivi Duopods M20 review can be found somewhere here. Go watch that before you watch this video because a lot of comparisons are being made to that product while reviewing the Mivi Duopods M80. Now the sound quality of Mivi Duopods M80 is a lot improved, and when I say improved, the bass is punchier, the mids are clear and the highs are still there. Songs like DJ Tiesto's Boom sounds rumbling. But what is more interesting is that delicate songs like Bach Variation Aria by Lang Lang sounds equally good. That particularly is the strong point according to me, because OnePlus buds, which are more premium, are more bass heavy, totally messes up that song, and that's a win in Mivi's favor. Another point that I have confirmed from my phone, the earbuds uses aptX audio codec, and that's why Mivi says that there is no lag in gaming and other streaming services. While having aptX may make difference in listening to music, it absolutely makes no difference while you're gaming. I have personally gamed and confirmed with my little brother also, who is an avid gamer, that aptX or not, Mivi Duopods M80 have some lag while playing games. And the lag is not a lot, but it is still there, and that can be rectified according to me if Mivi would have optimized these earbuds a lot better. The second thing about the product I like are the charging LEDs, which give you an idea about how much of charge is still remaining in the case. Moving on, let's talk about battery life. The battery life of Mivi Duopods M80 is just as good as Mivi Duopods M20 or even better sometimes. Mivi claims 30-hour battery life. I think that's with the case included, and each charge lasts about 6 hours plus for me when I listen to them on 80% volume. So that means I get around 20-30 hours from each charge before I have to charge them again. This little detail is important if you're out on a weekend trip and you don't want to charge your buds constantly to enjoy music while you're on the journey. Moving on. The last thing that I like is that Mivi Duopods charging case has that USB Type-C port so that you don't have to carry around a separate cable for charging your TWS buds. I really like when manufacturers give the relevant ports on their hardware so you don't have to carry around extra cables, which I think was the big omission of the Mivi Duopods M20 because it had a micro USB port. They are IPX4 rated and you can easily use them while exercising outdoors. Mivi also says that these earphones have mics and noise cancellation that helps improve the audio quality while you're on call. Well, let's test it out, but not here, out in the field. This video is being recorded on iPhone 11. I'm using the Moment Pro app to actually use Mivi Duopods M80 as Bluetooth mics. So this is the sound quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So you just heard the sound quality of these with the mics on them. What do you guys think? According to me, the sound quality of the mics was not much improved and I couldn't find any big improvement compared to Mivi Duopods M20. But yeah, it felt a little bit clearer, but not that much that you should use them for taking calls regularly. M80 are touch enabled also. You tap once for play and pause. Double tap the right earbud for next track or the left earbud for previous song, and a triple tap summons Google Assistant. Now what I dislike about Mivi Duopods M80 is the same as Mivi Duopods M20. The charging case feels a bit flimsy, and if you look closely, the Mivi charging case had these scratches on when I put it out of the case while unboxing, and that according to me is unacceptable at the price point that this comes on. Moving on to the price point, I think price point is especially tricky while dealing with Mivi products. For example, Mivi Duopods M20, when I reviewed them, costed 2000 rupees and I totally called it out that it's not a good product at that particular price point. But since then, they have dropped in price right around 1000 Indian rupees or even less than that. And for that particular price point, the product cannot be faulted for. Mivi Duopods M80 are available for 2499 Indian rupees, and that price point is a bit tricky because at that particular price point, while the product is not bad, but there are a lot of different competitors available with similar or better features or better branding, like the Xiaomi wireless earbuds that cost 2499 Indian rupees, or the Realme Buds at 2999 Indian rupees, or the OnePlus Buds Z at 2999 Indian rupees. So Mivi has the work cut out for itself. Not that the product is bad, but the pricing of the product is such that it pushes itself into a league of well-known manufacturers where Mivi just cannot stand. Even though I personally think that the warranty services of Mivi, that is 1 year from the date of purchase of the product, is better than some of the warranty services of other brands. But it's a fact that Xiaomi, Realme or OnePlus are going to be better at quality control, which Mivi certainly is not. One example of bad quality control is while I'm using Mivi Duopods M80, whenever I take the buds out, the music should stop in whatever app I'm using these with. Like, it should not matter if it's YouTube Music, Google Play Music, Spotify or any local music player. But that does not happen. It might happen once in every 10 tries, but that's bad quality control. Now it could just be an issue with my unit, but if it's a widespread issue, then it's a case of quality control. And that's where I think Xiaomi, Realme and OnePlus are going to be better serving. Also, the features of all these brands across the board, across the price point, is going to be more or less similar, or sometimes even better than what Mivi offers. And the sound quality is also going to be similar or better. So why would an Indian consumer pick Mivi over a well-known brand like Xiaomi, Realme or OnePlus, especially when most Indians already have smartphones and other ecosystem gadgets from these brands? I think that is a big reason why I cannot recommend this product to anybody else. But if you haven't invested in any of these smartphone brands, I think Mivi Duopods M80 is a decent buy, especially if you can grab it at a promotional price point of 2000 rupees or less. That makes it a good value purchase, keeping in mind the features and the warranty that brand offers. And there you have it. Mivi Duopods M80 is a fantastic product on its own with the features it has, but is marred by the huge competition it has in the Indian e-commerce market at the price point at which it sells currently by Mivi. If Mivi were to reduce the price point to, let's say, 2000 rupees or less, this product makes more sense than any other competitor. But if not, the name brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus and Realme are going to eat a lot of sales of MIUI Duopods M80, and the consumers cannot be faulted for that because they are already familiar with those brands. Those brands are having better quality control and features are more or less similar. So that's what I think about MIUI Duopods M80. This is a long-term review from my side. What do you guys think about the product? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it with all your friends. That's the least you can do because it takes a lot of time to bring you videos like that. With that said, if you want to support the channel, you can buy these products from the link given in the description down below. It helps the channel keeps the lights on longer. And that's a wrap. I'll see you in my next video.